You've seen him in your gyms. You've seen him exercising everywhere. He's known as Andy. He can lift weights. He can run miles. He can even lift weights while running miles. Some say he's faster than lightning. Others say he is lightning. Regardless, he is exercising.
Now you might be asking yourself, exercising with Andy, where have you been? I've been in the gym. Where have you been? Not the gym. That's why I'm here. I'm here to pump you up. Okay? I'm back in my parents' house. And every Tuesday night at 7 p.m., you're going to get an exercise tip from me. But let's get one thing clear. Excuses can stay home. We are here to work out. If you're not here to work out, the door is the same place it was when you walked in. Or better yet, the browser window. So click out or click out of the app if you don't want to work hard to get results. Today's Exercising with Andy lesson is something that nobody else is doing but me, which is why I'm in such good shape. Today, we are going to learn how to do belches. People often just do burpees. That's not enough. We're going to do belches. I'll show you the form, and then we're getting into them. We're going to do about 10, assess how we feel, and maybe do more. I used to do Exercising with Andy videos that were 18, 20 minutes long, and y'all couldn't keep up. So you're welcome that I'm just reducing each video to one exercise. So by maybe after a week, you can get it up here and in here, okay? So let's do the belches exercise. In this case, it's not rude to belch, so whoever said it was, the door is still there. I'm just looking at my camera, hoping that in the frame, you get all of this muscle, okay? So here we go. Watch me. First thing you do, you're going down to the ground, okay? I'm gonna scoot back here so you can get all of this. And kind of move to the side so you can get all of this. You go down, you do a push-up, you jump up in the air, and then you hit them with the left, right. So here are belches. Ready? You're not ready. Here we go. You start with the jump, go down. Let's make sure the camera's getting me. It is. You're welcome. You don't want your back leaning in. That's going to hurt your back. Do a push-up, up, jump, left, right. That's a belch, okay? That's what we're doing. Start with the jump, go down, push up. Elevate yourself up in the air. Left, right, okay? So let's do 10. Now you may only be able to do one belch, okay? And I get it. I've seen you. I'm gonna do 10. Here we go. Whee! One. Whee! Two. Whee! Three. Whee! Four. Five. Whee! Six. Whee! Seven. Whee! Eight. sweating. I'm not breathing heavy. Why? Because I'm exercising with Andy. You're welcome for this drill. Nobody else is doing it. Do your belches. Get jacked like I am. And we'll see you next Tuesday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's go!